Hey, what is going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to adjust the links on this one here. This is by SWEES. And so first thing right out of the box, you get this screwdriver here and you get some screws. But the only thing you actually need to make the adjustments is basically this tool right here, okay? And this basically comes in two pieces here. We got a needle right here. And actually inside here too, if you look in here, you have two extra needles in here as well, just in case if you bend this one or break it or whatnot. Just put that back on there. So basically we're going to put this tool into here, screw it in here. Now if we look at the actual links here, we can see you have arrows, okay? So the arrow's pointing up here, and if I look on this side here, there's arrows pointing down. What I want to do when I want to take out the pins, I want to start where the arrow is pointing up. So I want to put this into here this way, okay, and take the pin out this way. Now when I want to go ahead and reattach the pin, I want to put it back in this way, go that way, okay? So what I want to do here, I figure I want to take one link off here and two links off here so it can fit my wrist perfectly. So first thing is, let me just go ahead and pop this on here. Let me screw this in a little bit more. You can see the needle right there, and let me just put it down, and all you gotta do is just get it so that it goes right into the hole. Okay, I think I got it right there, and now I'm gonna go ahead and keep turning, and we should see it start coming out this way, okay? Oh, I just heard a little okay, there we go, and you can see the needle coming out right there. Okay, so that's good. I can just go ahead and pull this out now. Let me go ahead and unscrew this. And now what I can do is simply just take this part off, just like that. Now what you want to do is make sure that we keep it the same way, okay? So we can see that the needle is bent like this, okay? So you can see it's a needle that's bent like this, okay? So when we take it out, we push this way, and now when we want to put it back in, we have to start this way and go back this way, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and leave this pin right there, and I need to take off another link here, or another pin here, so I can take off one link. So let me go ahead and match this up with this other one here. All right, there we go. Now I'm just going to go ahead and keep turning it, and we can see it coming out the other end now. That's good. Now I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew this, pop that out. And again, you can see how the needle is, okay? It's like this. So let me go ahead and pull this out like that. Put that right there. I'm going to pull this link off just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and reattach this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back just like that. Now you can see all the arrows here again, okay? So I'm going to put it in there like that. And now I have to go ahead and grab the needle, and I got to put it back in the same way. So now I got to put it back in this way, okay? So let me go ahead and just place it into there. You can see like that. Okay. So now this is the furthest it's going to go in. Doesn't go in like anymore. Oh, there we go. So there's a little tiny piece that's sticking out right there. So what we got to do is, what you can do, if you have something hard like a book or something, you can like push down on it. The thing is, I wouldn't advise doing that because I've done this before with these, and they end up poking holes. Even if you do it on your desk, on the wooden desk, it's going to poke holes in it. I would advise to do it like this so you don't damage anything, okay? So let me just put it back on here, and we could see the needle popping out a little bit right there, as you can see. So I just basically have to play with it, just kind of like line it up there. There we go. Now let me just loosen that up, and there you go. It's perfect, perfectly flush. I don't feel nothing sticking out right there, as you can see. So now let me go ahead and do the other two sides here. I'm going to take two links off of here. Perfect. There you guys go. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.